Buckle your seatbelts, amateur aviators, because today we're skywriting the future with the Volantexrc airplane stabilizer. Perfect for all you fledgling pilots eager to conquer the skies without, crashing. This bad boy isn't just a piece of kit. It's like having a personal co-pilot that helps you slice through turbulence as if it were butter. Transform your aerial escapades from oh no to oh wow with ease. Now, let's talk adjustability. Ever wished you could fine-tune every little thing on your plane? The Volantexrc grants you wish fulfillment on a whim. Lean into those ailerons, elevate those elevators, and rudder like never before. Crafted from materials tougher than the toughest tough guy, it's built to last without weighing you down. So go ahead, test the clouds without fearing your plane will go plummeting toward Earth. Did I mention you can mount it faster than you read this sentence? With universal compatibility, it fits practically any RC plane like a glove. It's like tailor-made, only it isn't. What are you waiting for? Dive into the description and grab your very own Volantexrc airplane stabilizer. Your RC dreams are just a click away.